It came out of this hole. Molly, secure the scene.
Got it!
The ant was skinny, as if the life was sucked out of it. And there was the mysterious hole that the ant came out of. This is definitely the ant trap we've been looking for. I wonder what's inside the hole.
Oh no, maybe! There's a blood-sucking monster inside waiting to eat us!
Now that's just silly.
No, it isn't!
Yes, it is.
Quiet! We must get this critter out, but how will we lure him outside?
Why, you?
Caught another one. Oh, you're not an ant.
I knew it! So it was you who dug this trap to catch ants.
That's right, it was me.
After investigating, we discovered the culprit was an antlion larva.
There's no other insect that can dig a trap like me. You wanna see? Now, all I have to do is wait. You can't escape!
The antlion larva sucked the fluids out of the ant. Then it tossed its empty shell outside. About a year later, the antlion larva made a round cocoon of sand and became a pupa.